Hello and welcome. I'm John, your safety trainer, here with today's lesson about cleaning and disinfecting workspaces when returning to work after a pandemic. Before we begin, remember to sign off on your mobile device or online to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. During a pandemic, the disease may be spread from person to person or when people touch surfaces that the virus may be on. The questions then become, how do I clean and disinfect the workspace? And what do I do if someone was in a room with the disease? In this lesson, we'll go over the differences between cleaning and disinfecting, personal protective equipment and hazards, recommendations on cleaning and disinfecting, and what to do when someone shows symptoms or has tested positive. For many people, the terms cleaning and disinfecting are interchangeable. However, these terms have two very different meanings. When you clean, you are removing dirt, germs, and other impurities from surfaces or objects. This is achieved by the use of a soap or detergent and water to physically scrub them from the surfaces and objects. While the surface or object looks clean, the cleaning process does not necessarily kill all the germs. It only minimizes the risk of spreading infection by lowering the overall number of germs. On the other hand, disinfecting kills germs. You accomplish this by using one or more chemicals to kill germs that are living on surfaces and objects. But please note that for the best results, it is recommended that you disinfect a surface after it has been cleaned, as to help further minimize the risk of spreading infection. Whether you are cleaning, disinfecting, or both, you'll want to make sure to wear the proper personal protective equipment for the soap, detergent, or chemical you are using. The reason is, depending on the product, there may be hazards associated with its use. Those hazards can include skin, eye, or respiratory damage or irritation from contact or improper ventilation, and the production of deadly gases if you mix one or more different chemicals together. Personal protective equipment may also differ from product to product, so you'll want to consult the manufacturer-provided safety data sheet, SDS, for your particular product. Generally, however, PPE may consist of closed-toed shoes, safety glasses or goggles, rubber or nitrile gloves, and an apron or other protective clothing. Remember to inspect all PPE prior to using it and report any damaged PPE to your supervisor. Keep in mind that all products should be used and stored in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions and properly labeled if they are moved out of their original container. And make sure to wash your hands after using cleaning and disinfecting products. While many businesses do their best to make sure that workspaces are clean in normal circumstances, they may step up cleaning and disinfecting procedures during pandemics to help protect their employees and guests. For disinfecting, it is recommended that companies use at least one of the following methods. One option is a diluted household bleach solution. But please note that bleach solutions are... Hey everyone! If you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.